In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Vultr WordPress cloud hosting step by step. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to create a Vultr account. Simply head over to their website and fill out the registration form. After you've submitted your details, keep an eye on your inbox as you'll need to verify your email address. It's best to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to add your billing information. This step is crucial for activating your account and accessing Vultr's services. Next, we need to generate an SSH key on your computer. If you're using Mac or Linux, open your terminal. Windows users can access PowerShell. Enter the appropriate command to generate your SSH key. This key will help secure and facilitate easier access to your server later on. After generating the key, you'll see a public and private key pair. Keep your private key secure and add the public key to your Vultr account. You can do this either by adding it directly through the account section under SSH keys or during the deployment of your instance. Once we've sorted out the SSH key, it's time to deploy a new instance. On the Vultr console, select Deploy, and then choose Cloud Compute. You can also explore other options under Marketplace or one-click apps for ease of setup. Here, you'll pick the WordPress Marketplace app to automate WordPress installation. Alternatively, select Ubuntu if you prefer to manually install WordPress later. Choosing a server location that is geographically closer to the majority of your users can significantly reduce latency. So take a moment to select a region that's ideal for your audience. After that, choose a plan that suits the needs of your website. For smaller sites, a 1 vCPU, 1 GB plan is usually sufficient. Now attach the SSH key you've created earlier. Set a hostname for your server instance and hit Deploy Now. This will take a few minutes as Vultr spins up your server. Once your instance is ready, you'll see a public IP address. Copy this IP as you'll need it to access your server. Open a web browser and navigate to HTTP your IP. If the WordPress installer launches, follow the on-screen steps to configure your site and create an admin user. Should WordPress be pre-installed, you can retrieve your login credentials from either the Vultr instance console or any deployment email they've sent you. To further enhance your server's functionality and security, consider logging in via SSH to make necessary configurations. Secure it by creating a sudo user, disabling root login via SSH, and enabling a firewall for added protection. Lastly, point your domain to your server. At your domain registrar, update the A record to match your server's IP address, keeping the TTL low for testing purposes. For an extra layer of security, consider installing an SSL certificate through Let's Encrypt. Finish off the setup by optimizing your WordPress site with plugins like caching and image optimizers, and enable backups via Vultr's console to safeguard your data. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now set up on Vultr's cloud hosting platform. Don't forget to keep everything updated and optimized. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!